Hello students, this is Ankita Berde. Once again welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. Our today's topic of the discussion is regarding the decoction and infusion process. At the very important, at the last we are going to see about the applications of extraction process. In the previous part we had discussed about the Soxhlet extractor. I had also shown you the demo of Soxhlet extraction. If you had not watched that video, then under the playlist of pharmaceutics theory you will get that. Otherwise, in the I button also you will get the link for the Soxhlet extraction apparatus. So let's start. Our today's topic of discussion is the decoction, that we will see the two process which are remain from our extraction. In that, first one is the decoction is there and infusion is there. We will see first decoction process. In this process that drug is there, so that drug it is boiled in the generally test period is 10 minutes. So for that 10 minutes of the period drug is boiled, then after the boiling, after boiling that liquid is strained, the liquid is filtered and water is passed through the content of that filter, or water is passed through the content of this strainer to make that required volume. To get required volume, what happen after boiling, liquid is strained and water is passed through the content of the strainer to making the required volume. And this process of extraction, it is mainly used for the vegetable drugs and vegetable drugs which are having the hard and woody nature, having the thermostable water soluble constituents and heat stable metabolites. For that purposes this process is used. Then the main ratio, that is the crude product to water ratio is fixed, that is the 1:16 ratio is fixed, that is crude product to water means 1 gram of the drug you have to take it in the 16 ml of water. That ratio is fixed for this decoction process, means in that whatever that crude product is there. So in this method drug is boiled first with the for a usually period is 10 minutes of period. Then after boiling the liquid is strained and water is passed through the content of that strainer for making the required volume. And this process is usually used for the vegetable drugs which are having the hard and woody nature and having these thermostable water soluble constituents. The extract which is obtained, it is then concentrated to 1/4 of its original volume, means whatever extract जो आपल्याला मिळालेला आहे तो काय केला जातो, रिड्यूस केला जातो, 1/4 केला जातो. Then that concentrated extract is filtered and it is processed the further taken for the processing. This is very simple decoction process. Then next process after the decoction, it's a infusion process. We will see what is that infusion process is. There are also the two types of infusions are there, fresh infusion and concentrated infusion. This infusion process, it consists of the pouring water over the drug, and it kept for the 15 minutes. मीन्स ड्रगमध्ये काय करायचं, वॉटर ठेवायचं, मीन्स टू पोअर दी वॉटर ओव्हर दी ड्रग अँड अलाविंग टू कीप इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ दी वॉटर. मीन्स ड्रग शुड रिमेन इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ वॉटर फॉर 15 minutes with the occasional stirring and finally filtering of the liquid. Then here mark is not pressed in this case. Here for the infusion, boiling water is commonly used as a solvent. Boiling water as a solvent म्हणून यूज केलं जातं. Then these infusion, these are the dilute solutions of the readily soluble constituent of the active drug infusion, and it uses the same principle as the principle which is applicable in the maceration. Then this crude drug which is there, so it is kept in contact with the boiled water usually for 15 minutes, that is the 15 minutes साठी ड्रग आहे तो त्याच्यामध्ये ड्रगच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये ठेवला जातो. दिस इज दी, ही काय आहे तर इन्फ्युजनची प्रोसेस आहे. इट्स व्हेरी सिम्पल process. That this process consists of the pouring water over the drug, and then it is allowed to kept in the contact with the water सोबत ते ठेवलं जातं usually 15 minutes साठी. and during that processes occasional stirring and finally filtering of the liquid. And here mark is not pressed in this case, and boiling water is commonly used as a solvent since it has a greater solvent action than that of the cold water. Then there are two types of the infusions are there: fresh infusion and concentrated infusions. Concentrated infusions, these are prepared by the double or triple maceration process. कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड इन्फ्युजन्स जी काही आहेत ती डबल और ट्रिपल मॅसरेशन प्रोसेसने बनवली जातात. अँड फ्रेश इन्फ्युजन्स, इट इज अन ॲक्वियस सोल्युशन ऑफ दी active constituents of the vegetable drug which is that prepared by the process of a infusion only. Fresh infusion, that is example is a fresh infusion of the Kochia. And concentrated चं example आहे concentrated compound infusion of Chirata and concentrated infusion of Kochia. And see, this concentrated infusion is there, it is 8 times stronger than the fresh infusion. So this is decoction technique and infusion technique. Next we will see the different applications of the extraction. So various chemical industries, pharmaceutical industries uses this extraction. Then first application आहे, it is used in the separation of antibiotics and protein recovery. एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन कशासाठी सेपरेट काय करायचं, अँटीबायोटिक म्हणजे वेगवेगळे आता जे अँटीबायोटिक्स असतात काही त्याचे सोर्सेस आहेत हे व्हेजिटेबल्स असतात, व्हेजिटेबल ड्रग्ज असतात त्याचे sources. So to separate that antibiotics and protein, then it is used to recover high boiling components such as the phosphoric acid, boric acid and sodium hydroxide from the aqueous solution. कशासाठी वापरले जातात, what to recover here, जे काय आहेत ज्यांचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हाय आहे. दिस 3 acids are these: phosphoric acid, boric acid and one base is there, that is the NaOH. So aqueous solutions मधून काय करण्यासाठी त्यांना रिकवर करण्यासाठी की ज्यांचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आहे तो हाय आहे. Then obviously in the case of the pharmaceutical industry, it is used to obtain that therapeutically active constituent from the plant parts and to eliminate the inert material, means unwanted material which is there. So that unwanted material is removed here, and only that is used to obtain that what, that is the chemically ज्यांचा काय आहे फार्माकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट आहे, मीन्स दोज ड्रग्स आर हॅव्हिंग द फार्माकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट. सो टू ऑप्टेन दॅट ड्रग दे आर यूज अँड टू एलिमिनेट द इनर्ट मटेरियल. Then Examples, these are the Nux vomica. Nux vomica, it's alkaloid. So to obtain this trichinin from Nux vomica, then from cinchona bark, to obtain quinine from cinchona bark, then opium, it's an alkaloid, rauwolfia is alkaloid. So to obtain these pharmacologically active constituents, morphine from opium, then this is the rezapren is having the antimalarial property from the rauwolfia serpentina. It is this extraction technique is used. Then it is used to isolate the enzymes and hormones from the animal sources, means from the animals whichever the enzymes are obtained or hormones are obtained. So to isolate that, to separate that enzymes and insulin, this is used. Then for the capsule we require the gelatin, that is the outer shell capsule चा कशाने बनलेला असतो. In the practical we had seen, we had made one capsule in the practical, which what is the name of that capsule? Put your answer in the chat box. कॅप्सूलचं प्रॅक्टिकल केलं आपण, का कुठली कॅप्सूल होती ती चॅटबॉक्समध्ये एंटर करा. प्रॅक्टिकल परफॉर्म केलं कॅप्सूलचं, एंटर, फास्ट एंटर करा सगळ्यांनी, पटापट एंटर करा. So this gelatin, it is produced by the conversion of the skin and bone collagen by the treatment with the lime. जिलॅटिन आपल्याला मिळतं ह्याच्यापासून, बोन कोलॅजन, ॲनिमल पोर्क स्किनपासून. सो दिस इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय ट्रीटमेंट विथ द लाईम और डायल्यूट ॲसिड अँड इट इज फर्दर एक्स्ट्रॅक्टेड, म्हणजे ते फर्दर काय केलं जातं, त्याचं वॉर्म वॉटरसोबत एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन केलं जातं जर आपल्याला जिलॅटिन हवं असेल तर. अँड लास्ट ॲप्लिकेशन इज, इट इज यूज इन एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन ऑफ फिक्स ऑइल्स फ्रॉम सीड्स, दॅट इज दी सोक्झॅलेट एक्स्ट्रॅक्टर आहे तो ह्याच्यासाठीच वापरला जातो. म्हणजे फिक्स ऑइल्स ऑब्टेन करायचे असतील आपल्याला सीड्सपासून, देन त्याच्यासाठी सोक्झॅलेट एक्स्ट्रॅक्टर वापरला जातो. देन देर आर सम अदर फंक्शन्स ऑफ सोक्झॅलेट एक्स्ट्रॅक्टर्स आर ऑल्सो देअर, दॅट इज in the fixed oil from the seeds to obtain the alkaloids also. अल्कलॉइड ऑब्टेन करण्यासाठी पण सोक्झॅलेट एक्स्ट्रॅक्टर आहे तो यूज केला जातो. दीज आर दी ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ द आवर एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन टेक्निक. जी एक्स्ट्रॅक्शनची प्रोसेस आहे त्या एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन प्रोसेसची काय आहेत ही सगळी ॲप्लिकेशन्स आहेत. सो दिस इज about the today's lecture. We will just quickly revise what we had studied. So first we had seen the decoction technique is there. So in that decoction technique what is done, wait for 1 minute. इन दॅट डिकॉक्शन टेक्निकमध्ये काय केलं जातं, क्रूड प्रॉडक्ट जो काही आहे दॅट इज बॉईल. हियर इन द केस ऑफ दी डिकॉक्शन टेक्निक ड्रग आहे तो काय केला जातो, मीन्स क्रूड ड्रग जे काही आहे. सो दॅट क्रूड ड्रग इज बॉईल विथ दी वॉटर फॉर द स्टेटेड पीरियड, युजली 10 minutes. Then after boiling the liquid is strained and water which is passed through the content of the strainer to make up the required volume. And this process is mainly used for the vegetable drugs of the hard and woody nature. They are having thermostable water soluble constituents and the ratio is it is the 1:16. Then नेक्स्ट आहे ती इन्फ्युजन टेक्निक आहे. इन्फ्युजन टेक्निक युजेस दी सेम प्रिन्सिपल ॲज दॅट ऑफ दी मॅसरेशन. These are the dilute solutions of the readily soluble constituents of the crude drugs. Then this crude drug, it is soaked or in the water, it is kept over the water. In case of the infusion technique, that drug is kept, means water is kept above the layer, water is kept above the layer of your drug, and it is usually kept for the 15 minutes with occasional stirring, and mark is not pressed in this case. Then we had seen the applications of the our extraction technique, used to separate antibiotic, used to recover high boiling components. It is majorly used to obtain the therapeutically active constituents. Then used to isolate enzyme and hormone, used in the gelatin because further extraction is required, and it is used in the extraction of the fixed oils from cells. So here our chapter extraction is finished. This chapter is very important. Listen all the lectures very carefully. Under the playlist you will get all the lectures. Then so thank you so much students for fully watching this video, and see here, that is one cute for you at the end of the lecture, that is life is to fight it. Means what? Why you think from this sentence life is to fight it? Yes, anyone can put, you can put that is what you think about that. Life is to fight it means what? Yes, can anyone? Yes, here you sentence you can see here, life is to fight it. What does it is? Yes, put your whatever you think, put your opinions in the chat box. Yes, I am telling you at the end of the lecture, that is do your studies very well, do your studies sincerely, because see there are the offline exams are there, and see not only for offline exams, म्हणजे असं आहे का की ऑफलाईन एक्झाम आहे म्हणून तुम्ही स्टडी करणार आहात? नो, इट्स युअर ड्युटी बेटा, you have to study, because see everything is not easy. You think that yes, keep exam online, then I will get the good marks and like that. No, हा सगळा पळवाटा शोधत आहात तुम्ही. See, do your studies very well. You are the pharmacist, future pharmacist. So how let's see how you can become the careless in your studies, being a medical student. Being a medical student, how you can become careless in your studies? Yes, right? Yes, right or not? Yes, right or not? Okay. So as your mentor, and as a YouTuber also, and as a sincere teacher, because I am also the passionate, like okay, I am having the passion of the lecture, being a lectureship, and I am also grateful to many of the students like you. So see, whatever it is there, whatever study material you get in the today's era, you are getting the lots of the sources for the studies, because see now everything is become online. That world in this means कुठलंही क्षेत्र आहे असं लिमिटेड राहिलं नाही आहे. देर आर दी लॉट्स ऑफ दी सोर्स, लॉट्स ऑफ दी डिजिटल एरियाज आर देअर. सो मेक यूज ऑफ दॅट, मेक यूज ऑफ ऑल दी गुड थिंग्स यू हॅव. जे तुमच्याकडे काही चांगलं आहे त्या सगळ्याचा उपयोग करून घ्या. सी, बिकॉज यू आर दी आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ युअर डेस्टिनी. दॅट इज वन सेंटेन्स इज देअर by the great philosopher सद्गुरू वामनराव पै, that is तूच आहेस तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार. सो you like similarly you are the architect of your destiny. You have to do it. You have to make your own future. You have to do your career. You yourself, you have to make your own identity, right? Okay, so now I will stop here. From the next class it will be very interesting lectures for you. That is we are going to start about the liquid dosage forms. Liquid dosage forms, in their details about that, how the formulation of the liquid dosage form is going on, different methods for the manufacturing of the liquid dosage form, and that is the quality control, different types of the quality control test for the liquid dosage form, that we are going to see in the next, from the next lecture. Okay, so thank you so much my dear students. Keep watching lectures. Happy learning. Stay safe.